Good morning, loves. Happy day 7 of our vlog challenge. Can you believe we're officially 1 week in? Like, we've been doing this for 7 freaking days. Wow. And it feels so natural. Like, I feel like every time in the past where I'd want to do YouTube, or I would talk about it with my team, or I would just talk about my audience saying that I want to do YouTube, I'd be like, oh, but it's so hard to film everything. Like, I always forget. And now I'm just like, wait, stop. I need to film this. Like, it's just a natural part of who I'm becoming, and I really love it. And it seems like you guys are really loving the vlogs too, which makes me super happy. So today I have nothing on my calendar. I'm going to be working since I took yesterday off, but I have like nothing scheduled, no master classes, no calls, nothing that I have to be at a certain time. Okay, the light's getting really weird on my glasses. Nothing I have to be at a certain time. So I basically just get to work on whatever I want to work on today. I also get to pick up my car today. She's finally finished, so I have to drive about an hour away, pick her up, and then drive an hour home. And it's just gonna be a great day. I really feel that. I'm in such a good mood. I have my coffee. I got an extra shot today. And you know, I had this realization today that I'm just ready to say fuck all the bullshit. I'm so ready to move. Like, I'm so ready to move. There's another girl that lives in my city who I went to school with, and she's moving to LA, and her boyfriend just left today to move to Brentwood. And I'm like, holy fuck, I'm ready to move. Like, after seeing her Instagram picture of them like getting ready for their road trip, I was like, I want that to be me. Fuck all of this. Like, fuck all the unknown vibes. It's happening and it's done, and that's that. So right now I'm really in the mood to start packing. And so that is exactly what the hell I'm gonna do. There's a lot of things in my apartment that I just need to throw away and get rid of. So that's where we're gonna start, is getting rid of all the things that I don't want and then packing the things that I do want. Because I also asked myself, in terms of manifestation, if I was already there, if the papers were signed, move-in date was selected, the deposit was sent, if it was all written down, done, what would I be doing? And I would be packing and prepping. So let's just get ourselves into that vibe and pack and fucking prep, because why the hell not? Better to be prepared. So let's go. Done. It's now 1:13 p.m. exactly. I cleaned up and got rid of a bunch of stuff. So there used to be a bag over here in my backpack from school. Got rid of that. There was like mugs and merch stuff over here. Got rid of that. Packed up all of my books and everything that was in there. Cleaned up this hallway, which had blankets. It had laundry, suitcases, all of that. Went here, got rid of some more clothes, just organized the shelves because things were not folded nicely. What else did we do? Let's see. We cleaned this bad boy out, which was a hell of a mess, just with a bunch of stuff I needed to get rid of, and clean the drawers, all of the things. I had so many things from one of my old houses. So I'm 22 and I've moved way too many times, way too many more times in the same fucking city than I'd like to admit. So I've moved a lot and acquired a lot of random shit that I would just throw into bags and boxes, and I would keep it in that bathroom closet because I just didn't want to go through it. So today I literally just threw all that shit away. I'm like, I haven't touched those boxes or bags in years. So clearly there's nothing important in there that I need. So threw all that away. Packed up some shit. Feels good. Getting rid of so many clothes. My best friend's moving back to Nebraska from California, which is really depressing because I'm moving to California now. We're literally swapping states, but I'm bringing her a ton of old clothes that I don't want anymore. I always give her my clothes, and anything she doesn't want, she can give away or sell, take to Goodwill, whatever. So that's the deal. Just got back from getting lunch. I got a shake at my favorite shake place. It's the white chocolate Reese's flavor. And then a tropical blast tea, has aloe and energy in it. I get these at a place called Nutrition Tavern here in Nebraska. So now it is 1:15 and we are going to journal. Let's get our journal out.
You called up your girlfriends and y'all called in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Chanel, but I could never write my boss. Less I write it down for real. P.S.
Hi friends. So the last thing you saw was either me having a dance party in my room or driving my car. I think driving my car because that happened after. So after I had a dance party, went to Omaha to go pick up my car, which you saw, my beautiful, beautiful Tessa the Tesla. She runs good as new now, but on the way to Omaha, I got a text from my real estate agent saying that I lost the house that I was manifesting in LA, that somebody else got the lease before I could. So that obviously hit me like a brick wall. And then I drove home after picking up my car. So that was a whole like 2-hour process. Got home, made myself a comfort meal, aka my favorite pasta in the world, which I'll make for you guys on a vlog, I'm sure sometime in these 31 days. And then just kind of chilled out and started looking at other houses, honestly. So I've just been taking it easy, gonna go eat some ice cream and mourn, but we will talk all about that tomorrow. We'll sit down and talk about how I'm processing it, how I'm looking at it, all the lessons and the in-betweens. It kind of hit me hard because I really wanted to work when I got home, and that just drained all of my energy and made me really sad. So then I couldn't get work done. So I feel like kind of behind on work, and like my pressure has shifted from feeling pressure about the house to feeling like pressure at work and not being able to show up as much. But I did write a really good Facebook post and sent out an email today and checked in with my clients, so it's all good. I was posting on IG stories and everything just always gets taken care of, so it's okay. We'll be back into the work things tomorrow. We will sit down and chat. We'll do a coffee chat tomorrow and talk all about the house process. And I will catch you guys then. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
And I know just what you want. Oh,